Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, just open Devices settings and scroll down to access Security section. Now scroll down again, tap on Face, and enter your current login method. Finally, read the instructions and choose OK at the bottom. Then keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. In order to disable Face Unlock feature, click on this switcher next to Unlock. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can enable it the same way. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can always do that by tapping on Face section in Security settings. Then entering your login method, scrolling all the way down and choosing Clear Facial Data. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!